Hello everyone, welcome to Businessmap. If you've just created your account, you should be seeing a screen similar to this one. Now let's go through the first steps. Let's first go to My Account. Here, you can change your full name and add a username if you wish. This is how your name will appear to other users. You can also set your time zone and language preferences. Additionally, if you prefer dark mode, you can enable it here. You can also upload a profile picture and choose which part of the image will be displayed. Next, let's configure your notifications. By default, the system will notify you when a card is assigned to you, a comment is added to a card is updated or deleted, an activity you own or participate in is approaching its due date. We explain what a card is and what it represents in more detail later. Here, you can customize your notifications by different boards in your account. If you wish, you can save your chosen setting for all boards in the account. Click Save once you've made your selections. Notifications will appear in this icon. If you click on it, you'll see a feed of all recent activities. You can also track actions performed by other users within the system. On the left side, you'll find the Help Center icon. In this section, you can check the current version of the platform, view updates and new features, watch short tutorials like this one on different settings, access our knowledge base, contact our support team if needed. Further down the left panel, there's the Reports icon. Here, you'll find built-in reports that help you extract key insights and performance data. And last but not least, we have the Account Administration section. This is where you can manage users and their access, group users into teams, set up automations and integrations, customize card details, configure security settings and audit logs. We'll have separate videos covering each of these features in more detail. Finally, let's go over how to invite new users to your workspace. Click on Users, then Invite User. Enter the email of the person you'd like to invite and click Send Invitation. At this stage, you can already assign them to different teams or boards, but this step can also be done later. If you want to give the new user administrator access, you can adjust their permissions under the Admin Privileges column. By granting account owner access, the user will be able to manage all settings and permissions in the platform. That's it for today. See you in the next video, where we will take a look at different user roles and security controls.